Thank you. Thank you, Johnson. Thank you.
Jigsaw XP.
LOL.
No, thank you. Ooh, Daddy's okay. I owe 2 more Dabby Doos in a bongy rippy. So, thank you for being my friend. Thank you, Dante and Sid and Nelson, Johnson again. Thank you for being my
Kiss
friend.
Mark, Ruthless Ruth, Kiss Mark.
Said you didn't say hello to me loudly crying
Hey,
face.
Ruth.
Face.
Hi, Ruth. I didn't even see you in the chat. Hi.
Said, please.
Here we go. This should be my second for the third dab. Thank you. Oh my God, I'm gonna be so messed up doing these. I still got to get 2,000. 1,300, less than 1,300 reps in. That's a lot. I still got to get. Oh, I still got to get a shitload of reps in. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, thank you. Thank you. Jigsaw, what's going on?
I said hi.
Kiss Mark, Ruthless Ruth, Kiss Mark.
Said.
1, 2, 3. Thank you. Take a dabby do with me.
I said hi.
Sid.
Said. At Ruth or less Ruth, I said Mew, who is here. Welcome, scroll up, grinning, squinting face.
Ramage.
Said. Hi.
Remy.
Said.
Jigsaw XP.
Said. Teddy, go sleep like
Oh, you guys are getting Teddy on clouds. Right now. I said I was going to get 2,000 reps, damn it. For 42,000. For 42,000 subscribers. Damn it, and I plan on getting 2,000 reps. I'm at 840. We're going to get there, baby. We're going to get there. This is my third and final dabby for that. And then I owe you, Mr. Johnson, a rip off the bongy bong. The bongity bong bong bong. Let's do a dabby do. Let's do a dabby do. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Let's do a dabby do. That's the final dabby do. Thank you. Let's do a dabby do with Teddy.
Remy.
Ooh.
I said hi, can you say hi back, please?
Hi, give it hi.
Said. Syrie, shut up. Said. These videos are awesome.
Thank you, viewers. Now I owe a bong rip to my friend Johnson. You see, I am kind of on cloud 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 4.5. But I still remember the bong rip. I still remember the bong rip. And thank you so much. You guys are so awesome.
Said. OMG, are you okay?
Yeah.
Ramage.
Said. Okay,
Okay.
Jason Biddle.
Said. How are you, my friend? It's always good to see you.
This is for you, Nelson Johnson. 1, 2, 3.
Plugs for days.
Plugs. Take a dabby do with me.
Good afternoon, world.
Jason Stroud.
Said. How you doing?
I really stoned in my cramp.
Said. Dabby do time.